Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you.
Glad to hear that, Evelyn.
How are you, John, today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great. Have any plans today?
Yes, I have a meeting soon.
Really? What's the meeting about?
It's about our new project plan.
That sounds exciting. Is it challenging?
Yes, it's challenging but fun too.
I'm happy to hear that.
What about you? Any plans?
Yes, I'm going to the market.
Oh, that sounds very nice.
Yes, I need some vegetables today.
Do you cook often, Evelyn?
Yes, I cook almost every day.
That's wonderful. Cooking is important skill.
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish is fried rice.
Fried rice is a good choice.
Yes, it's easy and delicious too.
I agree. I like it too.
Do you cook, John, often?
Sometimes, but not as often.
What's your favorite dish, John?
I like to make spaghetti.
That's nice. Spaghetti is always tasty.
Yes, it's simple and flavorful too.
Do you eat out sometimes, John?
Yes, sometimes with friends or family.
What's your favorite restaurant in town?
I like the Italian place downtown.
Oh, I've heard about that place.
Yes, it's really popular around here.
I should visit it one day.
Yes, you should. It's great.
Do you go there often, John?
Maybe once or twice a month.
That's not too often, I think.
No, it's a bit expensive sometimes.
Yes, dining out can be costly.
True, but it's nice occasionally.
Yes, I agree with you, John.
Do you have a favorite place?
Yes, I like the bakery nearby.
Oh, I've been there before too.
Their cakes and pastries are amazing.
Yes, they have the best sweets.
I usually go there on weekends.
It's a perfect weekend spot, indeed.
Yes, it's calm and relaxing too.
Maybe we can go together someday.
I'd love that. Let's plan it.
Sure. How about next Saturday morning?
That sounds perfect. I'm free then.
Great. Let's meet at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll see you there, John.
Looking forward to it, Evelyn.
Me too. It will be fun.
Do you have work after this?
No, I'm free for the day.
That's good. You can relax today.
Yes, I'll probably watch a movie.
What's your favorite movie genre, Evelyn?
I like comedies and action films.
Those are fun genres to watch.
Yes, they always keep me entertained.
I enjoy action movies as well.
What's your favorite action movie, John?
My favorite is Mission Impossible.
That's a great movie. Very thrilling.
Yes, the stunts are amazing.
I agree. It's full of excitement.
Have you watched it recently, Evelyn?
Yes, I saw it last week.
Did you enjoy it this time?
Yes, it was fantastic as always.
I'm glad to hear that, Evelyn.
Thank you, John. What's your next plan?
I'm heading to the office soon.
Good luck with your meeting today.
Thank you. Have a great day, Evelyn.
You too, John. See you soon.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Good afternoon, Sarah. I'm doing well.
I'm happy to hear that, Tom.
How are you doing, Sarah?
I'm doing great, thank you.
That's wonderful. Any plans today, Sarah?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend later.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Yes, we're going to the park.
The park is a nice place.
Yes, it's peaceful and relaxing too.
Do you visit the park often?
Yes, I go there every week.
That's good. Fresh air is important.
Yes, it's good for the mind.
I like going to parks too.
What do you do at parks?
I enjoy walking and reading there.
Reading outside sounds very enjoyable, Tom.
Yes, it helps me relax.
What type of books do you read?
I like mystery and adventure books.
Interesting. Do you have a favorite?
Yes, my favorite is Sherlock Holmes.
Oh, I've heard about that book.
Yes, it's a classic detective story.
I should read it one day.
You should. It's a great book.
I'll add it to my list.
What books do you like, Sarah?
I enjoy reading romance novels.
Romance novels are always sweet to read.
Yes, they have heartwarming stories.
Do you have a favorite one?
Yes, I love Pride and Prejudice.
That's a famous and classic novel.
Yes, the story is really beautiful.
I agree. It's a popular choice.
Do you watch movies, Tom?
Yes, I watch movies quite often.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like action and adventure films.
I like adventure films too.
Do you have a favorite adventure movie?
Yes, I love Indiana Jones.
That's a great movie. Very exciting.
Yes, I love the action scenes.
The story is also very engaging.
Yes, it keeps you interested throughout.
Have you seen all the movies?
Yes, I've watched them all, Tom.
That's awesome. They're fun to watch.
Yes, I agree. What about you?
I've only seen the first two.
You should watch the rest, Tom.
Yes, I'll watch them this weekend.
That's a good idea. You'll enjoy them.
Thanks, I'm looking forward to it.
Do you watch movies at home?
Yes, I usually watch movies at home.
Same here. It's more comfortable, I think.
Yes, and you can relax better.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, but I don't go often.
I understand. It can be expensive sometimes.
Yes, but it's fun with friends.
Agreed. It's a nice weekend activity.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Maybe once a month, with friends.
That sounds like a good balance.
Yes, it's a special treat for us.
Do you have any plans tomorrow?
I'm thinking of visiting a museum.
Oh, which museum are you visiting?
The art museum in the city.
That's a wonderful place. Very inspiring.
Yes, I love the paintings there.
Do you go to museums often?
Yes, I try to go monthly.
That's great. I should visit more often.
You should. Museums are very educational.
Do you like history museums as well?
Yes, I love learning about history.
Me too. It's always fascinating.
Have you been to the Science Museum?
Yes, I went there last year.
Did you enjoy your visit there, Tom?
Yes, it was really interesting.
That's good. I've never been there.
You should visit. It's very informative.
I'll plan a visit soon, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
Thanks, Tom. I'm sure I will.
I need to go now, Sarah.
Okay, have a nice day, Tom.
You too, Sarah. See you soon.
See you soon, take care.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm doing well.
Glad to hear that, Mark.
How about you, Anna? Doing good?
Yes, I'm feeling great, thanks.
Any special plans for today, Anna?
Yes, I'm going shopping later.
Oh, what are you buying today?
Just some groceries for the week.
That's useful. Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I find it quite relaxing.
That's interesting. I don't enjoy shopping.
Really? What don't you like about it?
I don't like crowds and waiting.
I understand. It can get tiring.
Yes, especially on busy weekends.
True, I try to avoid weekends too.
That's smart. Do you shop often?
Yes, I go once a week.
I shop maybe twice a month.
That's not often. Do you order online?
Yes, I order most things online.
That's convenient. What do you order most?
Mostly books and some electronic items.
Oh, do you read a lot?
Yes, I love reading in my free time.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading science fiction mostly.
Science fiction is exciting and creative.
Yes, it makes me think a lot.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite is Dune.
Oh, I've heard of that book.
Yes, it's a classic science fiction novel.
I should read it sometime.
Yes, you'll enjoy it for sure.
Do you only read science fiction?
No, I also read history sometimes.
History is interesting. What do you like?
I like reading about ancient civilizations.
That sounds fascinating. Do you recommend one?
Yes, I recommend the history of Egypt.
I've always wanted to learn about Egypt.
It's a rich and mysterious history.
I'll add it to my list.
Do you enjoy reading as well, Anna?
Yes, I love reading romance novels.
Romance is a nice, relaxing genre.
Yes, it's light and enjoyable for me.
Do you have a favorite novel?
Yes, I love The Notebook.
That's a popular and emotional story.
Yes, I cry every time I read it.
I can imagine. It's very touching.
Do you watch romance movies too, Mark?
Not often, but I've seen some.
Which ones have you watched recently?
I watched The Fault in Our Stars.
That's a beautiful but sad movie.
Yes, it was quite emotional for me.
I love that movie, it's inspiring.
Do you watch movies often, Anna?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
That's a nice way to relax.
Yes, I enjoy quiet weekends at home.
Do you prefer watching movies alone?
Sometimes, but I like company too.
Watching with friends can be more fun.
Yes, we laugh and discuss afterward.
Do you ever go to the cinema?
Yes, but not as much now.
Same here. I prefer home now.
It's cheaper and more comfortable at home.
Exactly. You can pause anytime too.
That's true. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
That's a brilliant and mind-bending film.
Yes, it's very clever and unpredictable.
I agree. I watched it twice.
Me too. It's one of the best.
Do you like other Christopher Nolan films?
Yes, I like The Dark Knight too.
That's a great superhero movie.
Yes, it's one of the best ever.
Do you like superhero films in general?
Yes, but not all of them.
I understand. Some are a bit repetitive.
Exactly, but I still enjoy the action.
Me too. It's always entertaining.
Are you planning to watch any soon?
Yes, I'm going to watch Avengers.
Oh, that's an amazing movie. You'll love it.
I've heard great things about it.
Yes, it's full of action and surprises.
I can't wait to watch it.
You should definitely see it soon.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation, Mark.
You're welcome, Anna. Enjoy your day.
You too, Mark. Have a great day.